So this week's syllabus will cover the department test policy as well as requirements for what you'll need to know for your upcoming test this week. So there are 5 exams throughout the semester over the material covered in class. The first 2 you're allowed 2 attempts on. You are not allowed multiple attempts on exams 3, 4, 5, or the final. Okay. So again, these tests have the lockdown browser, so that it's a proctored form of taking the test. And knowing that if you have not yet taken the syllabus quiz and you run into problems taking the test this week, then it's going to end up with you dropping the course. So that's why the syllabus quiz was there, was to make sure that you could access the tests with the Respondus lockdown browser. If you did not take the syllabus quiz, then you're going to end up having to drop the course if it doesn't work for you. Okay, because your first test is this week. So what all are you, wait a minute, hang on. There we go. What are you allowed to use on your test? So let me see if I can get this to focus real quick. Okay, it's a little bit fuzzy, but it's okay. My little document camera is getting old. So let's see. Hang on. There we go. Okay, so first of all, what are you allowed to use? You may use 1 page of notes, front-sided. Okay, so you can use 1 page of notes, and a page being 8.5 by 11 inches. Just a piece of notebook paper. You can have whatever notes, formulas, anything like that that you want on it. Okay, only one-sided. So I put front instead of back. It doesn't matter as long as it's only one side of the page. For part 2, you can use a scientific calculator. I'm sorry, not for part 2, but for number 2. You can use a scientific calculator. And then I'm trying to think of what else you'll need. You can use scratch paper. You can use a pen or a pencil. And that about covers it. Okay? So when you do the Respondus lockdown browser, I would expect for you to show the camera your 1 page of notes, show it double-sided, and so that I can tell that you're only utilizing 1 page of it, not both. You can use a scientific calculator, you can use scratch paper and pen or pencil. Okay? And so remember that if you need to retake exam 1, what you're going to do is go back into My Labs, and you'll see an assignment that says homework for second attempt. For second attempt on, that says attempt, on exam 1. And that's what you'll do, and you have to get an 80 or better on that homework assignment in order for the exam to trigger to open again. Okay, so if you need to take it 1 more time, not multiple times, but if you need to retake it for a higher score, then you can do the homework for the second attempt on exam 1, and you can retake exam 1 again, which means you're going to need to allot yourself enough time because the exam opens tomorrow morning, which is Monday, and it closes on Wednesday night, if I remember right. Let us look really quick. Hang on, make that small. Let's look at the schedule real quick. And you've got test 1, and looking here, give me a second. I don't want to lie to you. So we're going to do fall 23, and we're going to look at this class schedule. So exam 1 is available from Monday, September 18th at 12 a.m., which is midnight Sunday, through Wednesday, December 20th, or September 20th at 11:59 p.m. So if you're planning on retaking that test, don't wait until Wednesday to do it, because you'll have a homework assignment in between the attempts. Okay, so that is it for your syllabus video, and that is it for your test video. So let me know if you've got questions or concerns, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Bye-bye.